The third-generation Audi TT debuted back in 2014. Since then, we've all been waiting patiently for the new 2018 Audi TT RS. It's been worth it. The TT RS packs an all-new inline-five that uses aluminum for its block and crankcase and magnesium for the oil sump. It's both lighter and more powerful than the outgoing TT RS 5-pot mill. Hell, the TT RS makes nearly double the power of the base model. Audi has been perfecting the 5-cylinder engine for decades, and this is arguably the best one short of a full-blown rally car. While the base TT RS starts at $65,875, this particular example had a number of options that pushed the price just north of $80,000. This includes the $3,500 technology package with upgraded infotainment and audio system and the carbon fiber trim. Performance options include the $1,000 Sport exhaust, well worth it, and the $6,000 Dynamic Plus package. That swaps the magnetic suspension for a fixed setup, adds front ceramic brakes and raises the top speed to 174 miles per hour. Raw performance numbers put the TT RS ahead of the Porsche 718 Caymanis, the BMW M2 and even the old Cayman GT4. Editor-in-Chief Greg Migliore, 5 cylinders, that's brilliant. I kept thinking that over and over during my morning drive in the TT RS. What a pocket rocket. It buzzes and growls on downshifts. The acceleration is strong, even and purposeful. The 7-speed dual clutch is smooth yet aggressive. I queued up sport mode, and this thing remained in second gear for as long as I felt like staying on the throttle. The cabin offers great visibility. The TT is where Audi's virtual cockpit debuted, and it remains the purest execution of the technology. It feels more distilled in this sports car, and that's a good thing. This tester is done up in with carbon finishings, suede and black leather, making for one of my favorite interior schemes. The last time I drove the TT RS, I had a professional race car driver behind me on a track near Madrid. The intervals were spaced, but still, and some of that old adrenaline returned during tight cornering and exuberant launches. What an invigorating sports car. There was no track time in store for me on this September morning, but I did toss my 1960s golf bag in the hatch and was surprised how well it fit. 5 cylinders and 4. That's a good day. Senior producer Christopher McGraw, I've loved the Audi TT ever since I saw the baseball glove interior in a Lot 90's first-gen model. I couldn't drive back then, which probably made my infatuation with the TT worse. This TT RS, with its 400 horsepower, might very well be one of my favorite cars of the year. Let's start with the looks. This thing is a mini R8. It looks incredible. Mean. Fast. I really dig the orange. The huge grille is aggressive. The wing on the back isn't tacky. Inside, the driver and passenger seats are comfortable. And beautiful. The carbon fiber interior is well done, as well as the